Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen and happy Halloween. Not only is it Halloween, but it is also Friday. Typically, Fridays mean pasta. So tonight, I'm going to be preparing Friday night pasta. Let's get to it. Okay, tonight we're going to start with some New York style hot Italian sausage. It's been sliced. All right, I do believe these sausages are ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat real quick. And I'm going to remove them from the pan and set them aside. And get the heat back on. Gonna add some onion. And some garlic. I'm gonna saute the garlic and onions for a few minutes. The onions and garlic are ready. Now I'm going to add red bell pepper, Aleppo pepper flakes, some salt, and pepper. Don't want to cook these peppers too much. I'm going to add the sausage back in. Going to add some fresh cut basil. And freshly chopped Roma tomato. We're going to get the heat on low. I'm going to add just a touch of vegetable broth. Doesn't that look yummy? And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a cover on it and cook this on low for about 4 to 5, maybe 6 minutes. And after about 6 minutes, ooh, yumminess. Let's get a quick stir. The linguine is ready. As a matter of fact, it's standing by. I'm just going to move this over here. And bring in the linguine. So I'm just going to add all this goodiness. And mix it all together. And one last step. Here we are at the final step. Let's take a look. And here's the final presentation here on Halloween night, Friday night pasta. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen on this Halloween. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. You may also find my cookbooks, international urban spice blends, culinary inspired t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.